All right, let's do a quick rundown of the answers here. What are the names of three collinear points? You can see that the only 3 points we know are falling straight on the same line are F, C, and D. So we've got A for that. Okay. What are the names of four coplanar points? Here we can see that the four that are on this plane that we can see are D, A, J, and B. D, A, J, and B. So that is B. Got it? Okay. Let's see. It says name the line and the plane shown. So first of all, the line we can call MN or NM. We can't just call it line M, so we can eliminate this one right here. And of course, we can't name a plane with just 2 letters. We have to name a plane with 3 letters. And so we know that it can't be that one for the plane and that one for the plane. So we've got MN for the line and M and P, 3 non-collinear points, making that plane. So it's D. Okay. Here, if Z is the midpoint, what are X, R, Z, and RT? Well, RZ is also going to be 35 if this is the midpoint, right? So that's 35. So is this as well. So that means that RZ is 35 and RT is 35 and 35, which is 70. So what we really need to do now is just calculate what X is. And we know that if Z is the midpoint, then this segment right here, 3x minus 25, equals the 35 on the other side. So we can say 3x minus 25 equals 35 and just solve it for x. We get 3x equals 60, and I'm just going to save time here by doing divided by 3 on both sides in my head, and we get 20. Okay, and so that means that x is 20, and RZ is 35, and RT is 70. And we can see here that they have x is 20 and x is 20 for both of these. And here they say RZ is 35. Here they say RZ is 70. Actually, RZ is only half of it. RT is 70, not RZ, so don't get confused. Okay, RT is the whole thing. So it is actually answer A. All right, and then what segment is congruent to AB? Well, AB is -7 minus -2. You're always subtracting the values. -7 minus -2 is the same as -7 plus 2, which is -5, and we take the absolute value, so that's 5. And we can see that C and D here are 5 units apart, 0 and 5. 0 minus 5, -5, absolute value of that is 5. So C to D, or segment CD, is 5. There it is.